Alright YouTube, so today I'm going to be unboxing these Bose frames Alto along with my cat Orangey here because he won't get off my dresser. So anyways, let's dig in. It's just an unboxing because these are my dad's as a Father's Day present. It came 2 days late. So they come in. My dad and I went to Best Buy the other day and saw these. So as you can tell, there is some plastic wrap they have to get off too, but my dad already got that off. So there's just this sticker that you need to peel. And there we go. You can see all the info that's on these, and then you can open these however you'd like. And then I'm guessing this is the case for the sunglasses themselves. Wow, they look cool. And this is the open ear audio technology, and this is the cable. So I'm going to show you how these look on me in a second. So this does require the Bose Connect app, but this is what they look like. These are a little too tight on my head. I might get some different ones if I ever were to get these, but they use the open ear audio technology, which is pretty cool. This is how they look in case you're curious. So thank you all for watching this video. All my social media, including a link to buy these earbuds, will be below in the description. So as always, peace out.